guys, I was just done with my meeting, and during the meeting I was in the art section in Hispanic Day, and in art you will need a plate, and you need to cover the plate with oil, and you will need one marker, and you can customize. And look, I drew kitty face, and yeah, I added kitty ears, and I added a bow and some orange dots and a heart and a circle. I know it's light, but yeah. Sorry if it's like that. So, and I did some whiskers, like one up and then one medium and then down, and this curvy thingy. Okay, I'm gonna show you it. So make it closer. There. I have it. Does it look beautiful? So, bye.